Hey y'all, the good folks over at GEARGO sent me over this tire pressure monitoring system. We're going to get the box opened up, see what we have, and then we're going to get it hooked up, so stick around. We have our monitor. It's like our instruction book here. Our little transmitters here, goes on your valve stem. 4 of these, front left, rear right, rear left, and front left. Double-sided tape to stick your monitor to your dash, wherever you want to place it. Our USB charging cord, and some little nuts and a little tool here. See if we have any power. We'll get it fired up and see what there is to see. Now this is solar powered. You can see a little solar panel here on top. Over on the side, you have your USB port right there. Well ventilated. Hold the on button. Hold the power button down and it'll come on. Setting this thing, you want to turn it on. Hold the menu button down for 3 seconds, and that'll bring it up. You use the arrow keys to select bar or PHI. Short press the menu button. Then you go into the high pressure and the low pressure. You can set these right here. And we're going to, high pressure, we're going to push the down arrow. You can push the button and get down to where you need it. And we're on PSI, if you notice right here. In my case, I'm just going to go at 40 pounds. Short press the M, and that'll switch to the low pressure. 26 pounds, that's fine. That works right there. And there you go. Now this is your temperature. You can set for a high temperature. And this, you double press that menu button to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And there you go. You just hold that menu button down and it's set. Let's go get these put on the car and see what the tire pressure is. Okay, when you get ready to put these on, each one is labeled for which tire it goes on. Press the arrow 8 times and it will start flashing. This is the pairing mode. You just put this on there and it is paired. Push the arrow to move to the next one. We'll do the front right one. Now we're going to move to the rear right tire. We'll move to the rear left tire. There you go. They're all programmed. Now press the menu button for 3 seconds and it'll set it. 1, 2, 3. Actually, it was a shorter press than that, but it got set. When you go to screw these on, you may notice a little psh. It'll let just a little bit of air out as you're screwing those in because they've got a little pin in them that hits that valve stem. It'll let just a little bit of air out. But you see, that's how simple it is. Okay, you've got it all programmed. You can mount that up on your dash, mount it wherever you can sit that's not in your way. And like I said, it does have the USB port here on the side. You can plug the cord in to get power to it, or it is solar charged. If you're going to be in a shaded area for a while, you may want to plug it in just to keep it powered up. Now, it does have 6 alarms on it. It's got the high and low pressure alarm, high temperature alarm, sensor low voltage alarm, fast leak alarm, disconnection alarm, and a battery low power alarm. So you're pretty much covered. And it does have a range of 32.8 feet. So if you've got like an extra long trailer and you're wanting to put these sensors on a trailer, they need to be within 32.8 feet of the monitor here or you may lose connection. Now, if you are interested in getting one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. It's definitely a thumbs up. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.